Hey guys, I'm Ganesh and you're watching Gadget. So in this episode, we are going to tell you about Google Nest Mini. I have hands on and I'll open it up, I'll do the unboxing, and also I'll tell you how to set it up first time. So without further ado, let's roll. So first up, this is the box. It's really good. It looks really pretty sturdy box and it has a plastic cover on top. So this is the latest version of Google Mini, that is Google Nest Mini. So as you can see, I'll open it. It's the second generation of Google Mini. So I'll just cut it open. Let's just open it up and let's see how it is and what it is inside. So this is the box. I'll just open the box, and as you can see, it's really beautiful. It's really compact, small, and it has a hook on the back. It has a switch and one more port for the power, and that's it. It's a very compact thing. Let's see what else we can find. So there is the charger, or the not adapter, sorry. It's an adapter, so it's not battery powered. You have to connect it always to the current. Then you have let's get started guide, and inside it says all the details of how to start and all that, and then it also talks about privacy and then the warranty card. And I think that's it in the box. Let's just see first what we have to. We'll just connect it and let it turn on. In the meantime, as you can see, I'll actually install the Google Home app. So that is what the first step it says. Let me just install the Google Home app, and as you can see, when it turns on, it gives a sound, and it also says namaste and all that kind of things. Then in the meanwhile, I'll just install the Google Home.
Started, download the Google Home app.
So once the Google Home is installed, and as you can see, it's installing. Once it's installed, we can open it up and then we can go into settings. So it will say welcome to the home, and you have to press get started, and you have to choose the account, Gmail account. You have to give the location access, and you have to turn on your Wi-Fi so that it can connect. So it will take some time for it to look for device. It may take a lot of time, but it depends. Then when your device is found, you just have to give start, and it will take a lot of loading time. So it took a little bit of time for me also to connect it to the Nest Mini. But once it's connected, it will take, let's just wait. Once it's connected, I will hear a sound. Then just give where this device is, and also we'll save the password of Wi-Fi in the device. Once that is done, it will connect to the Wi-Fi. This also may take some time, and yeah, that's it, it's connected. So before using it will say what is the policies and all those things, and then also you can actually give your voice matching as well, so that it'll only hear to your voice. But at the same I gave no, because I want my family members also to use it. So then it also asks for personal data and also for voice. You can set up different voices, and then you can give your address, and also you can link your music services. So you can link a lot of different music services. Then after that, if there is an update, it'll update the Google Nest Mini. Then it will tell you how to do all the functionals. So if you touch on the middle, it's play and pause the music, and as you can see, whenever I touch it gives feedback. Then also you can change the volume by touching on the right side or left side. It will increase and decrease the volume. So that's also pretty cool. If you have placed it on wall or something, it would be really nice, and it would be very easy for us to use it. Then there is a mic switch. If you click on that, it will not hear you. It will turn off the mic, and as you can see, it will becomes red color. So that's it. It's pretty easy to use it. I hope that you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, please leave a like and also subscribe to Gadget for more such videos. So until next time, bye bye.